this, you're like so cool.
I don't know why.
Here, you can have the black one.
The black one?
Nah, get the blue one.
Yeah, until Mr. Brown starts.
Who wanted to go pick the grass?
Oh, dude, I got it. I got it in there.
I got tall grass.
Really? You always wanted tall grass?
Yes. I'm going to go up and take this on my wall at home. My first tall grass.
I'm forced against my will to talk to you, Caleb. You are. Look at you want me to
What are you guys doing?
Hold on. I guess he's got a boyfriend and a girlfriend. Matt's pregnant with Morgan.
I'm pregnant with her baby.
What?
Our baby's gonna be alien. No. It's gonna be
You were not pregnant with my baby.
my baby. You're pregnant with my baby. It's an alien.
Oh my God, really?
We're gonna name it Aliena.
Oh my God, I've always wanted to name my kid that.
Or Pavina.
I don't even care for the
Alien.
Because I have an iPhone in my hand.
Alien Adam.
Don't even care. No, he cares. Now
That's what his name's gonna be.
he should care.
Kylie, where's Samantha McCoy? Is she at the workroom?
Wait, Sam? No.
Yeah, is she at the workroom?
Sam just had to go to the bathroom. Dan? Morgan, you just see his bracelet.
Hey, guess what?
Goodbye.
Caleb likes to watch guys make out.
Shut up. You wrote down my freaking agenda.
Actually, I didn't write it. Peyton Brunkart did. She wrote, her and Caleb were switching agendas again. And she wrote, I like watching guys' tongues because it turns me on his agenda.
Yeah, I do.
And then he wrote, I think naughty thoughts when I'm with Caleb Wainscott in my agenda. That's what he wrote.
You ditched us.
Yeah, what's that for?
He's playing with a bunch of losers. Why is he?
Why are you playing with a bunch of weirdos?
Special.
Jen the spy, sit down.
Except for Hunter. He's the only, him makes the only cool one.
Special, you don't know why? Because you ditched us for a little phone ball.
He didn't ditch you guys. He ditched us.
Yeah, he did this. He did you guys. Yeah.
You guys are in front of us.
I didn't say Mason ditched us for a football.
Dang it.
Totally a no. I scared you like 7
Hail, Matthew, let's go. Who's a good boy? Your eyes are like so big and blue. Like, whoa, God. Oh, butterflies. Caleb wants another drink. Well, he'll have to come up here and get a drink.
You want another drink? You want another drink, Caleb?
Yeah. Indian boy.
Well, yeah. What do I suck though? What do I suck though? That's what you gotta ask yourself.
What do you?
You said I suck, but what do I suck?
Oh, Russell. Whoa.
That
He wishes. Indian boy.
He wishes.
He's like, I'm not Indian, I'm white. I'm like, you're Caucasian.
He is Caucasian.
He's bleach. I saw her earlier today going downstairs, but I haven't seen her.
Who's that?
They're not pajamas! I just gave him the hand and like,
Of course Haley Brock is willing to sit and read a book.
Tammy, run! She's gonna take you. Go, run! She goes, Tammy, run!